Hello guys, this is Divya. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on preposition at. In our previous video, we learned about how to use preposition in. So now in today's video, we will learn how to use preposition at. So as we know that preposition is a word which is used before noun and pronoun to show its relation. Number 1, at plus small places. So we use at with small places. For example, I live at Hamirpur. Hamirpur is small place. If we want to relate this small place to big places, then we can say that I live at Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh. I live at Chandni Chowk in Delhi. I live at Delhi in India. So rest we can use at with small places. At bus stand, at railway station, at hotel, at hospital, at home, etc. So number 2, at plus festivals and events. For example, I will come home at Christmas, Holi, Diwali. We had come here at birthday. So birthday is known here as event. Okay. Number 3, at plus point of time, o'clock. For example, Naman gets up at 5 o'clock every morning. Our class begins at 7 o'clock. Number 4, at plus night and noon. For example, he called me at midnight. She was sleeping at noon. Number 5, at plus prices while telling the cost of anything. So we use at with prices when we want to tell the cost of anything. For example, potatoes are being sold at rupees 30 per kg. I bought this pen at rupees 20. Okay. Number 6, at plus ability and disability. So sometimes we use at to describe the abilities and disabilities of the person. For example, he is good at English. She is poor at language. Number 7, at plus temporary action. So we use at with temporary action. For example, he is at work. It means he is working now. So next, number 8, at plus activities. So we use at with activities also. For example, she is good at dancing. He is good at painting. So number 9, at plus phrases. At top, at bottom. For example, this statement is written at page number 30. Number 10, at plus nearest places. So we use at with nearest places. For example, who is standing at the door? Who is she dancing at the gate? So number 11, at plus the age of. So we use at with the age of. For example, I learned English at the age of 10. My grandfather died at the age of 95. She married at the age of 22. And so at last, number 12, at plus some superlatives. At least, at most, at the most, and at all. For example, try to attend our class at least once a week. Deepak hasn't been studying at all. So dear students, it was all about the use of preposition at in various ways. So as we know that preposition is a small word, but it makes a big difference in a sentence. So in this video, I could explain the use of preposition at in various ways. So if you are new to the channel and like our content, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to be the first one to know when we upload new video. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thanks.